Want to generate smiles at breakfast? Make French toast waffles. 6 easy steps. Let's go. 1. Turn the waffle maker on now to preheat. Whisk eggs, add milk and mix all together. 2. Mix sugar and ground cinnamon. 3. Whisk the cinnamon sugar into your egg and milk mix. 4. Pour the mixture into a shallow dish so you can get ready to dip. Dip bread on each side. Now you're ready to bake, so place the bread onto the waffle maker for 5 minutes. Here's the best bit. Decorate. Pile your waffles onto a plate, top with berries, maple syrup, or even edible flowers, if you have those in your store cupboard. Serve with fresh flowers for extra brownie points. Want to inject smiles at those breakfasts on special occasions? Head over to see our waffle makers at ao.com.